If you think making your Instagram private and clearing your browser history is enough to protect you online, think again. Your digital identity is your most valuable asset, and right now, you might be leaving it entirely up to chance. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 common mistakes that are ruining your online reputation and exactly how you can fix them yourself. Let's get into it. Blogs take way too long to show up on the first page of Google, but things have changed. Google now actually listens to podcasts and reads the audio. That means if you do just one 30-minute guest interview, it can shoot straight to the top of your search results. Reach out to a podcast in your industry. It's the fastest way to get a highly trusted, positive link with your name on it, which naturally pushes down anything negative. When you upload a headshot to LinkedIn or your website, Google reads the file name. If it's called image_1234, Google doesn't know who is in the picture. Even worse, your phone might be hiding your exact GPS location inside that photo. Before you upload a picture, use a free online tool to wipe the hidden location data. Then, rename the file on your computer to your actual name and job title. This tells Google exactly who you are and helps your official photos show up first. Bad TikToks don't just stay on TikTok anymore. Google's new system pulls those videos straight onto your search results in a matter of hours. So, a baseless 15-second video can do permanent damage to your career if you just ignore it. You can't wait for a viral video to blow over. You have to immediately report it to the app for violating their terms of service. The goal is to get it taken down from the app so Google can't show it anymore. If someone is posting bad things about you on a random forum or a tiny blog, don't try to fight back by posting on similar small sites. Google trusts big, established news websites much more than random message boards. Focus on getting one really good article published on a major, trusted website. That one strong link will easily overpower and push down a dozen bad posts on smaller sites. A lot of people tie their whole online identity to the company they work for. But if you ever leave that job, or the company gets bad press, your personal reputation goes down with it. Register an LLC or a holding company under your own name. Doing this automatically puts your name in trusted business directories across the internet. These are strong, positive links that you completely control no matter where you work. Try searching your name right now. Sometimes, before you even hit enter, Google suggests negative words like scam or lawsuit. This makes people suspicious before they even read a single article about you. Look at the very bottom of that drop-down box and click Report Inappropriate Predictions. It's a simple step, but it flags the issue so a real person at Google can review it and hopefully remove the unfair label. Cleaning up your digital footprint takes time, but putting these 6 steps into action is a great way to start taking control of your online life. However, if you're a high-profile individual, an executive, or a business dealing with a serious crisis, do-it-yourself tactics aren't always enough. That's where we come in. At MGMT Reputation, we specialize in removing harmful content at the source and building a pristine, professional online image for you. We handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Visit the link in the description to request a confidential audit, and let's take control of your digital legacy today.